Can you believe it's been 15 years, Rob?
I know, it feels just like yesterday actually. The long course is pretty much how we remember it, or even back then.
Yeah, I had 7 glorious years here as vice principal and head of the junior school, and I loved it. I loved seeing the children go through the junior school and on to the senior school. Fantastic.
And the time really flies, doesn't it? I sort of think back being a science teacher back here at Riverside and having the kind of privilege to work with everyone here in the community. And now the blessing to be a principal here.
I know, you've seen it all, Rob. You've seen the growth of the school, the community, did an amazing job.
I know, I mean, it's incredible. And you founding City Campus in 2018, that was quite something.
That was quite something. It was a real privilege to see a school, you're there on the first day when they're putting in the first piling ceremony and blessing the land, and then whoa, fast forward, you've built a community, it's full of people and every area is being used. It's been an amazing journey and I've loved every minute of it. Let's go to City Campus.
Let's, yeah, brilliant. Here we go. Lovely to be here again, Amanda. Lovely to be here.
Well, welcome, Rob, to Shrewsbury International School City Campus, purpose-built for the younger learner in mind.
Oh, such a beautiful campus. I just love it here. So everything's designed and you've thought of everything about primary age children, haven't you? It's just it's got a really, really lovely feel.
Thank you. I mean, we get that a lot. It's a really lovely family feel, and how everything from the outside spaces, inside spaces, even the serving area in our Kandinsky curved dining space is, for the younger learner. We're very proud of that. We really feel we built this school from the ground up. Blood, sweat and tears, but it's been fabulous. We love it.
And full up with children now, all the way through to year 6.
Yeah.
And we've got this lovely guaranteed place in year 7 Riverside. Yep. That transition process so smooth. We were talking to your parents today, hand in hand as ever. A really lovely sort of transition. It works so well.
It works brilliantly, and I love coming to Riverside, where I see the alumni from City Campus really immersing themselves in everything that you have to offer. So it's just wonderful. 1 school, 2 campuses.
Yeah, brilliant.
I'm so incredibly proud of all we've achieved here at City Campus. Our community has been amazing. Our students, our parents, and of course our amazing staff. Everyone that's been part of this journey has just made it really special, and I'm super, super proud.
I know, and I'm also really grateful. I mean, you imagine back to 2010, 15 years ago, us on that flight, and look where we are now.
I know.
Absolutely incredible. The journey we've been on. There's been a lot of learning, a lot of hard work, but a lot of laughter along the way.
A lot of love.
And Shrewsbury Bangkok is stronger than ever.
Yep. 1 school, 2 campuses.